Kakanta lang natin yan with the help of my assistant. Hiya! It's very small, no? But you like it? 1, 2.
But I can't.
Okay.
I just holding
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in New Jersey.
New Jersey. Okay. What's the name of your daddy?
Wilson.
What's the name of your mommy?
Tessa.
What's the name of your brother?
Baby Terrence.
What's your name?
Wilson does. Yeah.
How old are you?
How do you? 3 years old.
Hi, so tonight, tonight, oras na ba? 10:30 na. Magbabalot tayo ng gifts ni Dos because his birthday is sa isang araw na. Birthday ng mga bata. Pero kami pa lang yung mundo nila. Wala pa silang friends. Kasi by the time comes na meron na silang friends, gusto na nilang maghanda sa school or sa bahay. Pero as much as possible, we want their birthdays to be celebrated na parang adventure lang. Hindi yung maghahanda. Kasi yung handa, makakalimutan naman yun ng bata.
Ano lang kasi, syempre, birthday ng bata, it should be for them. Meron, syempre yung iba naman, nag-iimbita, tapos, nangyayari yung mga magulang, sila ang nalalasing, sila yung,
Iinuman.
sila yung parang naging celebration nila.
Oo, nangyari. Magkakanta lang ng happy birthday, tapos yung bata itsupwera na.
Nawala yung main character, which is it should be
Okay.
the celebrant.
Yeah.
Parang gano'n.
Namin carrier, sleeping bag, camping chairs, picnic mat, may cooler, ang Santos. Ayan. Tcharan! Punong-puno. Yeah. And then, the kids are here. Say hi, Kuya! Ah, hindi pala kita. Hi, baby Terrence. Hi, Daddy. Kuya's right there, the birthday boy. And we are ready to go. Yeah. So what's coming with us?
With us, the birthday boy. With us, where are we going?
Where are we going, birthday boy?
To the beach.
To the beach. Yes.
The beach.
We were supposed to go ng 5:30 to 6.
Yeah.
But we woke up at 6. Preparation ay tumagal ng 1 hour.
Yeah.
My water.
Yung water?
What happened to your water?
happened?
My water filled.
Water
Spill?
failed.
Do you mean your water spill or
Fall down.
it falls down? Don't worry about it, okay?
Mom's gonna get it.
Hey baby, look at your love.
Who's in the house? Look at that Kuya. Look at the beach. Look at the ocean. Almost like Pay lang kami ng parking.
Put this on the dash and you're good to go, okay?
Thank you.
Enjoy your time.
Hey, have a good one.
Pag nakabili ako ng lote sa Bohol, gusto niyo patayuan ng bahay.
Okay, kala yung
Bakasyon. Marerenta natin yan.
sabi mo.
Gurot enter sa kabila.
Saan mo?
Zoom, zoom. We're going to the beach.
walk inside. Come here, come here, come here. Let's fix it.
Ako na dito. Pag ayaw lumakad na yan.
Okay, let's go.
Ako na po. Ikaw bahala. It's okay.
Magyapa ka na lang, kuya.
Wag, mainit pa, mainit pa.
Come here,
Hold
come
my
here.
hand. Hold my hand. Oh, it's okay. Look at mommy and daddy and Loa.
Come here, come here, come here,
Look,
come
look, look at daddy. Oh. See?
here. Wow.
See? It's
It's
normal.
sand, baby. That's where
It's
we play
sand.
later.
Yeah, look
Come on.
at mga. Okay.
Come on.
Wow. Okay, give me the other one. Magyapa ka na lang. Akin na.
Oh, give Loa the other slipper.
Kasi nasa loob niya naman.
Ay, nakakayod.
Masakit sa paa.
Let's go. Saan tayo? Tara, tara, tara. Kaya yan?
Ano nga, mahirap.
Hindi ka Buti na lang, daddy isa muscle man. Muscle man, daddy will.
Mahirap siya, ano. Magganit.
Oo, may tao. Saan ka tayo doon? Daddy's there. Ano, workout ka? Parang ka nag-ano ng gulong.
Pinaramdam ko yung ano eh.
Oo, galit.
Yung pressure.
Aha. Baka niya lang. Iba kasi doon sa yung magtatakbo.
Hindi yung tatakbo.
Ganda po ng
So that you won't get... let's go this first. Ang gawin to put lotion. Sunblock oil.
Ay, ito kami.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to me.
Okay, let's go to daddy.
I could dance, I could sing, I could drink anything. If I were a Baptist, I would only dream. I could write a dirty poem, my mind could roam and roam. If I were
When it's a rainy day, even if the clouds are all gray, I might see a rainbow spreading out across the sky, sparkling up high. I might see a rainbow.
Natulog naman ang marshmallow. Oh, natunaw na. Wait.
Ow!
So that's why you gotta wear your slippers. The other one.
Come here. Don't touch anything.
7:45 na. Hindi na kami may pa isang araw dahil napakainit. Pero hindi naman, mas maganda yung weather eh.
Maganda naman.
Nagsimula ng malamig sa labig ng tubig. Hindi rin kami naglublob.
Malaki ng mga bata.
Sa Pilipinas, masarap maglublob. Ano mo ba?
Yeah.